Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Apex Legends can't ready up, right? How to fix this one. So this error has been right now happening to PC users as well as PS4, Xbox One, and many users. So I'm gonna directly get into the topic. So if you're having this issue, what you have to do is you just have to do the following instructions. So first thing, what you have to just have to close the game, right? You just have to close the game. Then you have to go here and just go for a normal restart, right? Go for a restart, and once you're done with the restart, once again you just have to play the game and just make sure if it works fine or not. Secondly, make sure to keep updated the Apex Legends game as well as the launcher. For example, Origin client for the PCs, you just have to update it and make sure it is up to date. And also, in order to avoid some, what should I say, in order to avoid some glitches, in order to avoid some of the glitches, you just have to update your Windows, right? You just have to go for Windows and you just have to go to the start, and yourself you have to check, right? Windows update, you just have to check here, and you have to go for Windows update, and you just have to make sure stuff that Windows is up to date. As you can see that mine is up to date, right? So you just have to make sure it is up to date. And moving on, so additionally, apart from this, when you're having some kind of party not ready pop-up issues, make sure to wait for some time and then retry the matchmaking process, and don't rush to retry. Just have to wait for a few seconds, then retry yourself, and most probably the issues will be fixed. Then if you're having the issues, what you have to just have to visit the official Twitter accounts to know yourself that whether any server downs are going on in between. I request this, you have to follow this. You don't have to get panicked in between. And also you can go for the Apex Legends official Twitter account, where you can check yourself is there any kind of server issues or maintenance are going on. So they just have to wait for a few seconds. You'll be getting all kind of updates over here. So that's all about when it comes to how to fix, right? How to fix Apex Legends can't ready up and how to fix this up. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. If you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section so that we will get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. See you soon. Keep practice social distance. Be safe and stay safe. See you soon in the next video.